This is a small load of millings, about 4 tons, and these are screen millings that we got out of the local rock quarry. And we dumped them out and spread them, and then we ran our crusher over them. This is 2 times over with the crusher, and I'll zoom in on here. I threw a nickel down for comparison to see the size of the largest pieces of aggregate. And when this gets put in place and leveled, and we treat it with a gallon of Hawk Seale blend per square foot, it's going to almost be like a slurry, like concrete. And then when we'll roll it, and when it sets up, it's going to be just like hard asphalt. So we'll probably add this video into our complete video later, but quite impressed with the product.